Hi, it's Tim. We just finished building this beautiful 351 Windsor 410 horsepower engine for our customer's 1969 Mustang Fastback with the Holley Sniper Efi 2 system with the Hyperspark ignition. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. Again, we have a 351 Windsor here. We installed the double roller timing chain in there, roller lifter camshaft, AFR aluminum cylinder heads, American made. All the roller rocker arms are fully adjusted and set with the red ignition wires with all the wire markers on there. Engine block is painted the dark Ford blue with the brass freeze plugs. Correct front sump oil pan for the 69 Mustang Fastback. Oil pressure extensions installed for easy oil pressure switch hookup. We have the Ford Racing black valve covers with the 13-inch air cleaner on there. We have the aluminum intake manifold, Hyperspark distributor set in place with the Hyperspark coil. This distributor, the computer on the Holley Sniper Efi controls the timing, so we'll set the menu screen up for the customer. That'll be all plug and play, ready to go. Throttle return spring, throttle cable ball, and bracket on there. We have the correct automatic flex plate for the customer's FMX 3-speed transmission, proper tooth count and balance for the 351 Windsor. We will be installing the starter index plate for the customer on there. We have the external fuel pressure regulator on there. Customer's running a in-tank fuel pump with the regulator built into the fuel pump, so we'll be testing it with our regulator and have the pressure at 58.5 psi. And then we'll cap off the throttle body because he's running an in-tank pump with a built-in regulator. We have the Wraptor, polished Wraptor pulley kit on here. AC compressors on there. Heavy-duty 8-rib serpentine belt. Self-tensioning belt tensioner on there. Proper lower hose location for the 69 Mustang on the passenger side. Standard rotation high-flow aluminum water pump. Correct thermostat housing for the 69 Mustang. Coolant bypass hose, high flow thermostats installed. 160 amp one wire hookup alternator. Power steering pumps on there. Every engine is live run and fully tested. You're going to get a video of your engine running in a stand. You're going to see the manifold vacuum reading, water temperature, oil pressure, cold and hot. We'll set the menu screen again for the Hyperspark ignition because it controls the timing on this application. This customer's getting the 5-inch menu screen. We're supplying that also. We'll set all the settings. We'll check for leaks. Everything will be thoroughly gone over, so you know when you put this engine in, you know it's 100% perfect. So there you have it, our 351 Windsor 410 horsepower engine with the Holley Sniper Efi with the Hyperspark ignition, the 69 Mustang Fastback. Thanks for watching.